Well, hello, good day. I am just sitting in the middle of all of the Christmas gifts that I've purchased and organizing them and kind of seeing what's left to get. I already have been shopping earlier today. I just got back from Costco, so I had to come home to put some food away, but I think I need to go out again. So right now I'm just trying to organize and kind of see what else I need to get. I kind of want to finish shopping today, so I think I can do it. I had the day off work, and that's just kind of my goal. To show you, I got these blue blocking glasses for the computer. It's supposed to help with like the glare from the computer screen, which I'm on the computer a lot now, especially with the job that I'm doing as an event manager, and also because I am editing on the computer all the time these videos. So I thought maybe it would be helpful because I do end up editing at night a lot of times, and that's when the glare from the computer is the most strong or something. So I got these little glasses. Look, you can see how they have the reflective tint on them, but I got a clear pair, and then they call these ones the leopard print ones. So they're cute. They'll do. We'll see if they do anything. It's supposed to help with like your sleeping at night, because like it's not good for you to apparently look at a computer screen for that long at night or something. It messes with things and can mess with your sleep. So I'm gonna try them out. Maybe this will be helpful, and maybe I'll get better rest. I don't know. I just wanted to show you how cute they are. But this is what I got. They had really good reviews on Amazon, and I got 2 pairs for like 12 bucks. So yeah, I thought, why not give them a try? Have you ever used these? Do they work for you? Do they not work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'll kind of show you what I have going on. I have lists of people. So this is like what I want to get or what they want, if I've asked like parents what the kids want and stuff. So this is what like I'm thinking about getting and what they want. And this is the things that hi Sadie. Hi, don't look at all the stuff. I can't show you in case anyone who's getting a gift looks. I don't want them to see. But this is listing all the things that the people have gotten. So I'm kind of trying to stay organized that way. But that's how I'm staying organized. So I got these raviolis at Costco today. It comes in a 2-pack, obviously, and I froze the other half. But I thought it would be fun for dinner tonight, and I was thinking about doing like a bolognese sauce. But then I looked in the back of the packaging, and they have a fun chicken lime thyme sauce, and I bought a rotisserie chicken. So what I did is I just browned it up like they said to, if you were making like raw chicken, but I kind of just like seasoned it up. So throw that in later. But I'm just gonna make the sauce that they have. So right now I just added the white wine. It just needs to cook down. It should be pretty tasty. I never really follow recipes on the back of like what I buy, but this one kind of sounded good, so we're gonna try it and see what happens. So the sauce is gonna cook down and get thick. This has butter, garlic. I didn't have any shallots, so I just threw in some onion powder, half a cup of dry white wine that we reduced down, chicken stock, heavy whipping cream, juice of a lemon. I didn't have an actual lemon, so I just used a little bit of this Italian volcano lemon juice that I love from Costco as well. And then it called for green onions, and I didn't have green onions, so I just used dried chives that I had in my pantry, Parmesan, and then 2 tablespoons of honey and salt and pepper to taste. Crossing my fingers, it's good. I got the toaster warming up. I got some sourdough bread from Costco today, and I'm just gonna make a little garlic bread on it right now. So I melted some butter. Alexa, stop. That means the raviolis are done. Let me get those out first real quick. Okay, back to the garlic bread. I'm just gonna add a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little bit of garlic. I'm just gonna mix that up. And then we're just going to baste it on there. And that's how you make a really quick garlic bread. I do this on Hawaiian rolls too. You cut them in half and you do the same thing. Oh my gosh, it's so good. You would never think to do it on Hawaiian rolls, but toaster's all warmed up. Let's keep it warm. I added a little garlic salt, and I drizzled a little olive oil, and then I'm just gonna spoon the sauce over. Oh yeah. There we go, really quick, easy dinner, raviolis and some sourdough garlic bread. Oh my gosh, those raviolis were so good with that sauce. If you go to Costco, get the spinach and cheese raviolis, and the sauce recipe will be on the back. highly, highly recommend it. Just pick up a rotisserie chicken and do what I did. No need to cook the chicken yourself. Just get a rotisserie chicken. Made it so easy. I can't even tell you, it was so good. Matt loved it too. And now I'm going to go shopping on Amazon and try to finish all my Christmas shopping tonight so that I have nothing else to do but wrap until Christmas. That's my goal for today. Let's see if I can do it.